If you've been paying attention to what's going on in the geopolitical arena, you would have heard of the Brics countries and their plan to move away from the US dollar. The acronym Brics refers to Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, the 5 nations that currently make up the alliance. With over 40% of the world's population and over 30% of the global GDP, the BRICS alliance wields enormous economic power. What are the implications if the BRICS countries stop using the US dollar to settle their international trade and start settling trades in their own currency? How will this affect investors and the average American? Before exploring the possible outcomes of this scenario, let's diverge for a moment. Currently, the US dollar is the world reserve currency. Almost 60% of all international trades are settled using US dollars. This gives the US a huge economic benefit and privileges that other countries can only dream of. One such benefit is the cost of borrowing. The US benefits from its ability to borrow at relatively low interest rates due to the dollar's status as a global reserve currency. This also means that the US is immune from currency fluctuation as their loans are denominated in dollars. Are you enjoying these videos? Please support the channel by subscribing. Also consider liking and sharing so the YouTube algorithm will recommend this content to more people. Now back to our questions. A de-dollarization of the BRICS countries could have a significant impact on the US economy. This could lead to significantly higher inflation as the cost of import would be more expensive, and countries around the world would be less inclined to hold their reserves in dollars. The financial market could experience huge volatility as investors may become more hesitant to hold US assets, leading to fluctuation in the stock and bond market. This would significantly erode the purchasing power of the average American and create uncertainty for investors. What can investors do to limit the impact these global changes will have on their investment? The best approach, from my perspective, is through the tried and proven strategy of diversification, especially in more tangible assets, such as land. Don't forget that currencies are speculative assets. Their value is completely dependent on supply and demand. So you'll want to ensure that your portfolio is not entirely dominated in dollars. I hope you've enjoyed this video and find value in the content. If so, consider subscribing, and don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.